Remember, the activities in the order cycle are placement, processing, preparation, and shipment. The order is placed with the salesperson or customer services, or even online. Before the order is sent to the warehouse for preparing, sales or finance check the client's credit rating and then release the order. This then triggers the instructions to pick the product for distribution or to send it for manufacturing. Depending on the company, there could be different picking methods, such as sectional or zone picking, where the picker only picks from a certain area. Traveling picking, here the picker has a list of things to pick and travels around the warehouse picking all of the items. Some warehouses have pick-to-light and other useful technologies. And with some companies, the parts come to the pickers to be picked. The process of picking and issuing is simple enough. Establish the need, raise the requisition, authorization, presentation to the store, check availability, picking and issuing, and updating the records. And there are different types of material issues that you can read about in your practitioner's guide. Most companies use the same documents during this stage, including material requisition, picking list or slip, and delivery notes. Sometimes the company will require some samples or stock for promotions or quality testing. These are free issue stock, meaning that they will not be paid for. Whether there are counter sales or intercompany transfers, updating the system is always very important. Once the stock is picked and packed sufficiently and neatly, it is sent out for delivery. Once delivered, that delivery note will be returned for updating and possibly for final payment from the customer. Having an effective tracking system available for customers will save time for internal staff who receive calls from customers, as it will allow customers to track their own deliveries. Picking, packing, and tracking of parcels all add to the customer experience, and it helps with the ultimate goal of satisfying the client and therefore increasing sales.